Hi folks, welcome back. Here we are. One mini door. Let's get this stripped down and see what we need to do with it. So according to the wisdom of YouTube, the easiest way to do this is to wind it to the mid position. Whip the screws out. And then we can manipulate the mechanism out of the runners for the window. It's stuck down with this non-setting putty mastic type gunk, and it's got a fair grip of it. So there's a little tab here, just goes under the front edge of the door there. Just to try and clear a bit of this goo away. Sorry about the camera, I didn't realise that the tripod was against the table leg, and when I was rocking the table it's shaking the camera. Makes you feel seasick. It's not as easy as others have made it look. A little driver and sort of lever it back, just to clear that tab from underneath the skin of the door. There we have a bit of movement. You've just spotted there's only one channel on the actual glass. I wonder if that's why it's as stiff as it is, because it's been running on one runner for who knows how long. The passenger door, I never rolled the window up in that one. To be fair, I think I've only ever been a passenger in it once. It's proven to be a wee bugger. So it doesn't help when you pick it back into position again, that non-setting gunk gets a grip of the plate again. Right, so let's have a look at it from a different angle. Let's wind the window up a bit the other way. pop the glass. And we slide out, as you can see, only one runner on the glass. Stick this out the road and pop the mechanism out. Okay, some of this gunk a clean up. So looking at this door, it's not actually as bad as I first thought, and I'll give you a bit of close up later, but it seems to be just like an inner skin on the door skin. I don't know, is that a separate panel or is it? No, there's the other runner off the window, all bent and mangled. And you can enlighten me on that one. Is there a repair panel or something for the inner skin of the door skin? Because that seems to be all it is. Seems to be where the little clips are pushed down for the chrome trim that was on the outside. Anyway, let's get on with taking the lock assembly apart, and I'll come back to that one. So a couple of screws, lifts the door pull off, and then the little lock assembly. These obviously hook onto the main door, which is extremely tight. It's got a fair wee bit of torque, this drill. The screws are well and truly gunged up. Oh, we got them out, that's all that matters. The screws for the door handle, or rather the screw, because I can only get the other one once the lock assembly's out the road. Pop the little clip, swing the lock out the road, then it's just the little circlips. So two little circlips hold both rods, so just pop them off and then the lock comes away, and then you can take the two mechanisms out. So locks out. This last screw on the door handle. just manipulate it out. There we go, one door handle. This last one, just pop the rubber out, and then I'll let you see the damage, or what's wrong with the door, because basically that's all I can see is that, and there's a couple of bits of surface rust on the window frame. Rubber's in good condition, probably just clean up. Right, let's have a look at that. As you can see, it's like an inner panel on the outer skin, and that's all that's corroded away. As I say, it seems to be where the little clips have been that hold the little dress trim on. But as you can see, the rest of the door is in really good nick. So, who knows, maybe it's salvageable after all. Yep. Now we turn it upside down, and a few years of rust fall out. Anyway, maybe somebody can put in the comments whether I get a panel for that, or whether I need to take the whole door skin off. But I've enjoyed stripping that one. I'll go on and strip the other one later, and probably give you another wee update. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, people. If you liked the wee video, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care out there, people.